There is a reason why this raised eyebrows throughout the battery industry. When a company truly possesses a breakthrough that could transform electric vehicles, investors, automakers, and major battery manufacturers usually line up immediately to secure partnerships. The fact that Donut Labs' first public collaboration involved a relatively small electric motorcycle company rather than a major automotive brand has led many analysts to question whether larger industry players have already reviewed the technology and decided to stay away. To be fair, revolutionary technologies often start small. Every major company was once a startup. Tesla itself began as a niche manufacturer before becoming one of the most valuable automakers in the world. However, even Tesla's early battery claims were supported by functioning prototypes, independent testing, and clear engineering demonstrations. This is where critics argue Donut Labs' story begins to fall apart. Perhaps the biggest issue is the company's extraordinary claim of 100,000 charge cycles. For context, most modern lithium-ion batteries used in electric vehicles are considered excellent if they maintain useful capacity after 1,500 to 3,000 charge cycles. Some advanced lithium iron phosphate batteries can exceed 5,000 cycles under ideal conditions. Even experimental solid-state technologies being developed by industry giants rarely claim more than 10,000 cycles. A battery capable of surviving 100,000 charge cycles would represent a leap so enormous that it would fundamentally change not just electric vehicles, but the entire energy industry. Such a battery could potentially last for decades without meaningful degradation. It could be used in grid storage systems, renewable energy projects, commercial transportation, aviation, and countless other applications. Yet, despite the significance of this claim, Donut Lab has not released detailed testing data demonstrating how the battery achieves such longevity. There are no publicly available cycle life charts, no independent laboratory reports, and no peer-reviewed research papers supporting the number. For many battery scientists, that absence of evidence is impossible to ignore. Then there is the charging claim. Donut Lab says its battery can recharge in approximately 5 minutes. On the surface, this sounds like the holy grail of electric transportation. One of the biggest obstacles to EV adoption has always been charging time. If drivers could recharge as quickly as they refuel a gasoline vehicle, many concerns about electric vehicles would disappear overnight. However, charging a battery that quickly introduces major engineering challenges. Extremely fast charging generates tremendous heat. Managing that heat safely requires sophisticated thermal systems, advanced materials, and infrastructure capable of delivering enormous amounts of power. Even companies with billions invested in battery research continue to struggle with balancing charging speed, battery longevity, safety, and cost. This is why experts often repeat a simple rule in battery development. Every improvement comes with a compromise. Increase energy density and you usually sacrifice cycle life. Increase charging speed and you often increase degradation. Improve safety and costs may rise. Reduce costs and performance may decline. Donut Labs' battery appears to break all of these rules simultaneously. According to the company, it offers ultra-high energy density, ultra-fast charging, exceptional safety, extremely long lifespan, low production costs, and easy mass manufacturing. Critics argue that achieving even 2 or 3 of those goals at once would be impressive. Achieving all of them together would represent one of the greatest technological breakthroughs in modern engineering. Another question involves manufacturing. Creating a successful laboratory prototype is only the first step in battery development. The real challenge is mass production. Many promising battery technologies have produced excellent results in controlled laboratory environments only to fail when manufacturers attempted to scale them to millions of units. Mass production requires reliable supply chains, specialized equipment, quality control systems, and consistent performance across every cell produced. This process often takes years and billions of dollars to perfect. Donut Lab has repeatedly suggested that large-scale manufacturing is already within reach, yet the company has provided little information regarding factory construction, production partners, manufacturing capacity, or supply chain arrangements. For a company claiming to be on the verge of revolutionizing global energy storage, these missing details have become another source of skepticism. Supporters of Donut Lab argue that secrecy is necessary to protect intellectual property. They believe the company may be withholding information to prevent competitors from copying its technology before commercialization. That argument certainly has merit. The battery industry is highly competitive, and companies often guard breakthroughs carefully. However, there is a difference between protecting trade secrets and providing no verifiable evidence at all. Historically, Companies that possess genuinely disruptive battery technologies eventually demonstrated working prototypes, released test data, partnered with respected third-party organizations, or published research validating their claims. So far, Donut Lab has done very little of that. This leaves the company at a crossroads. If its technology is real, then Donut Lab could be standing at the center of one of the most important battery breakthroughs in history. The company could potentially disrupt industries worth trillions of dollars and accelerate the transition to electric transportation worldwide. But if the claims cannot be verified, then the growing excitement surrounding the battery could quickly turn into one of the most controversial technology stories in recent memory. The truth is that nobody outside the company knows for certain. The battery industry has seen genuine breakthroughs emerge from unexpected places before. It has also seen countless announcements that generated headlines but never resulted in commercial products. For now, the evidence remains incomplete. The promises are extraordinary, but extraordinary promises require extraordinary proof. Until independent testing, working demonstrations, and transparent technical data become available, skepticism will continue to follow Donut Lab wherever it goes. The coming months will likely determine whether Donut Lab becomes the company that changed battery technology forever, or simply another name added to the long list of ambitious startups that promised more than they could deliver. Either way, the entire automotive and energy industry will be watching very closely. And perhaps the most revealing part of this entire story is not what Donut Lab has shown the public, but what it hasn't shown. In the battery industry, credibility is built on evidence. Companies do not earn trust through press releases alone. They earn it through test results, independent verification, working prototypes, and eventually real products that customers can buy. This is why investors, automakers, and engineers remain cautious whenever a company announces a breakthrough that appears to leap far beyond the rest of the industry. Consider where battery technology stands today. Companies such as Tesla, CATL, BYD, Samsung SDI, Panasonic, LG Energy Solution, and Toyota collectively spend tens of billions of dollars every year on battery research and development. These firms employ thousands of chemists, material scientists, electrical engineers, and manufacturing specialists. Entire laboratories are dedicated to improving battery performance by just a few percentage points. Yet despite all of those resources, progress remains difficult. A 5% improvement in energy density is often considered a major achievement. A 10% improvement can take years of research. This is why Donut Lab's claims have generated such intense scrutiny. The company is not promising a small improvement. It is promising a leap that appears to bypass many of the limitations that have challenged the world's largest battery manufacturers for decades. That does not automatically make the claims false. Revolutionary breakthroughs sometimes happen unexpectedly. History is filled with examples of small teams achieving results that larger organizations believed were impossible. The